All right, I'm going to start out with Madam Glam's Perfect White, and this is a very pigmented white, so definitely take it easy on this. Don't go super crazy. And I'm doing this nail first because I am really excited for it. So I'm just going to take a thin layer, and what I recommend with this is if you do 2 thin layers versus like 1 thicker layer, you will get a much better look, in my opinion. And I just think it is going to be amazing.
So I did research to figure out how to check the integration of the yeah, it's important to speed or less. Perfect important. And so I follow that. It's part of X2 on the switch. And it goes to RAM port 1 on the edge device, X device. Okay. So
all right, now that that is done, I am going to take my brush and I am just going to grab some of those neon pigments. They are off to the side here. I know, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna move them because they get everywhere. So I'm just, actually I'm gonna go to a smaller brush. Actually want to kind of create, I don't even know if this is gonna be small enough. I wanna create a little bit of a rainbow. So I'm going to blend these together and I'm just gonna work my way down. Now I'm going to try to carefully dust this off. AKA I blew this all over my room because I was not going to scrub it. So next up, we are going to take some more of that white gel polish from Madam Glam or whatever white you have, and we are going to create those shamrocks. I personally want to use a really small one because I want that detail. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I should say, or clover, I think is probably better what it's actually called. Madam Glam's top coat, and we're gonna move on, but I wanted to get that done because I think this is the coolest looking nail. I'm gonna take Ugly Duckling 163, bright St. Patrick's Day, not a deep, because I need some brightness in my life. I'm going to take a little bit of that green pigment So we're gonna do some shamrocks on this side with the rainbow effect, but I'm going to do it in the positive space. So meaning I am doing dots again. this is what we ended up with. Let me dim you down just ever so slightly. This is my favorite nail. I probably should have just done them all this way, but I really wanted to add some depth. You can see I started grabbing those pigments out of there and ended up putting it on my nail. It's fine, but I actually really like it. It took me a second to like it because, you know, you're doing something and you're like, okay, this is going downhill. I like the ombre here. It took me a minute to get here, okay? But in the end, I do really, really like it. Again, just that white nail is my absolute favorite. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.